Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to officially upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let's go, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. In this video I will show you the official upgrade process from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So I don't use here any third-party website or any third-party resource. So here is no risk for any virus attack or malware attack. So without any query, you can use this process to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So for update your Windows 10 into the Windows 11, first I show you my current version of my Windows 10. Its current version is 20H2. You can see here. So for upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, you need to go to the settings and go to the update and security, and here you find your Windows update option. Now you just go in this Windows Insider program and just click here the get started. Now it's tell you to join in the Windows Insider program. You need to register here. So just click on the register button and click here sign up. There are some terms and agreement. Just click here the checkbox and submit it. Now it's tell you thank you for registering for the Windows Insider program. Now let's get out your device setup. So just click here the close button. Here it's tell you to pick a account to get started or link your account. So just click on the link and account. Here you need to log in your Windows or Microsoft account. I already have an account. I simply log in my account. So just click in the Microsoft account if you already have. So if you don't have Microsoft account, don't worry about it. It's very easy to create the Microsoft account. You can just click here the create one link, or I will be provide a link in the description below where you can create your Microsoft account. So once you're done your login, now it's tell you to pick up your insider setting. So here they recommended the beta channel, what you can see. So just click here the beta channel and click the confirm button, and again you click the confirm button. So once you click the confirm button, it's tell you thanks for your participating in the Windows Insider program. We need to restart your PC so you can get Insider preview build. So now I need to stop my recording. I see you guys after restart complete. So once your PC is restart complete, so again you need to go to the setting and select here update and security, and again you need to go to the Windows Insider program. So as you can see the release preview challenge is here. So just click on it and select here the dev channel and go back here. So now it's time to check for update. So for check update, you need to go to the Windows update and click here the check for updates. So as you can see our Windows 11 download is started. So wait for until the download and install complete. After complete the Windows 11 download, it will auto start the installation. So after complete the installation, it will tell you to restart the system again. So I just click on the restart now button. So just wait for the until the restart is complete. So this is the moment which you're waiting for. Our Windows 11 is here. So as you can see, all of the taskbar icon are center aligned here. Here you can see the start menu, and here is the file manager. All of the icon are changed here. And here is the control panel where you can controlling the brightness, sound and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So that's all how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment me below what you think about this video. If you face any problem or trouble to install this Windows 11, make sure to comment me below. I will try to help you to solve this problem. So I see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.